that might bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you? Baby girl love my bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, we've missed you, but we've had so much go on since I would say the end of October. We haven't really been off-roading. We got married at the end of October. We went to the next weekend to Myrtle Beach Jeep Jam. That Sunday we flew out to Vegas for SEMA for a week. We decided while at SEMA in Vegas to move to Tennessee. Tennessee was calling our name. So we got home, we packed up our apartment, and we moved to Chattanooga, Tennessee. So I think we're just starting to normalize now, and we are out on the trails. Windrock to be precise. So we're out here with Tennessee Ridge Monkeys, which is a local group that were nice enough to invite us out. It's Wednesday, so it's the middle of the week. We have about 9 rigs out with us today. So we are hitting Trail 2, Trail 17. We're on 16 right now, trying to see what's up, trying to do some trails that we haven't done before. I would say this ride is mild to moderate, not anything too crazy, some blues, maybe a couple blacks, but nothing crazy. So again, guys, thank you for watching. If you're enjoying the video, big thumbs up and stay tuned. Windrock always makes a muddy mess of our rigs. The dirtier they come out, the more fun you had, right? We're always on the hunt for products that actually work, and we found a cleaning agent that has left me utterly speechless. It's made by a company by the name of WR Performance Products. And let me tell you, it can be applied right on all the mud and it'll come off with zero effort on your part. The kit that we got brings 2 bottles of the product as well as a foam cannon to be able to use with our pressure washer. This specific formula is made for our off-road lovers. Check them out and make sure you use our code at checkout. Let me know what you think.
Blinging like Chingo, rock star like Ringo. Checks coming in back to back, I'ma line them up like bingo. Oh, I think that they like me. They be all on my wood tip, not a stain on my white tee. I'm popping all of this good shit. Big flex, my swole up, double cup and I'm pulled up.
So we're at the last obstacle, which is honestly the only part of 16 worth doing personally. And our lead, he's in a 4-door JK, I believe. Yep. I love that anvil gray color. It's probably my favorite JK color. But anyways, he's going up right now, having a little bit of difficulty. I think he's done it before, but everything changes every time around. So I think he's being spotted up that. And I think I'm behind him is 1, 2, 3. I'm the 4th car behind him. So it'll be my turn soon enough. And I've done it before, but you know, it could change every single time. So hopefully we will do a good job. And by we, I mean me. I think that this time around we're trying out, I've never been to Windrock with PSC before, so it's made a huge difference, as well as I no longer have like just the quick sway bar disconnects. I have the anti-rock front and rear, so that's also made a difference. And I haven't been at this park with those upgrades before.
Axle shaft. Stop.
Windrock has amazing views year-round, but I feel like wintertime, when all the trees are bare, you can really see so much more far out. It's beautiful. This is the top of 16. We're stuck here. Our trail leader, I think, broke an axle shaft at the end here.
Stay right there. Stay right there.
Slow, slow. That's a good line. Not a bump. No, for low, Randy. And lockers. Oh.
There it is.
Yep.
He's got it. There it is. Driver, stay in it. Work your wheel.
Warm them up. So this is a JK. Has a 345 Hemi, 40-inch tires, 60s front and rear.
Right? Go ahead, try it. Now drive. Driver.
Have you guys done this obstacle before at the end of 16? I think it's a lot easier for buggies and 2 doors. 4 doors seem to get hung up.
Oh, yeah. Good job.
Buggy life. So we survived Trail 16. Marlon was filming. It was a lot more wet than I thought it was gonna be, but we got through. Trail update. We are, let me pan the camera here. We're still on Trail 16. So our friend that was leading had broken his axle shaft, and I guess someone else broke a track bar. So it's fun trying to get everyone out of the trail because everyone in and everyone out. Made it out of Trail 16. It is currently 3:53, so basically all day to get out of the trail. I don't know if we're gonna attempt anything else. I think with 2 of the broken Jeeps in the group, I think everyone's kind of calling it, trying to get back to the general store to pick up another track bar, and also the one guy's truck and trailer, so they can go pick up the Jeep that we left at the end of Trail 16. So yeah, definitely an eventful day with the Tennessee Ridge Monkeys.